what's up guys, this is our second video. So tomorrow we're gonna post our first real movie without the editing, and in the next day I'm gonna post another editing video. So please appreciate our work. So I have a bad news for you guys. So my tatay had diabetes, and he's been struggling in month, and he's very weak because when he was carrying a tree, he peed into his pants, and after he go to cold alburario, and then he died for a few moments, and he cannot hear everything because he died few moments after. So guys, please help us to get us subscriber. Please like and subscribe and share in channel.
Bye!